Okay, so we're just checking out from Gamaya Villas in Jogya. Yeah, we're moving back into town. It's been pretty good staying here. The villa was really nice, really clean. It's all new. It was a good stay. The bed was really good. The pillows were really good. So, yeah, it was very good. So anyway, Yuli's just waiting for a grab car. I'm going to ride the bike back into town. And, yeah, see you when we get in town. Alright, here we are at the hotel in the Palace. It's an old, now we checked this out yesterday. I think I put it in another video. I might have put it in another video and checked it out. It's old, but it's nice. The rooms are really nice. There's a nice pool. It's very quiet. And it's only about a couple hundred metres to the street we were staying in at that first hotel. So, yeah. Well, here's Yuli now, just turned up in a grab. So we're going to check in. So yeah, it's nice here. I had a little look before. It's got the pool. We've got the suite one right over there opposite the pool. It's old, but it's good and it's very clean and nice. So we booked for 3 nights because we're going to do a road trip, and in case we stay in Borobudur, well, we got a cheap motel. I think it was 1.1 million, like $100 for 3 nights. Hey, might have to have a dunk in the pool. It's nice and clean. That little one pool at the villa was a bit milky and we didn't go in the end. Oh. Okay, where's the lampu? And this is it. So it's nice, a nice bed. It's old, but it's nice and it's very clean, you know. So this is the suite one. Oh, we got a dead mouse in here. I think they must have poison around. Got the safety box, and this one's got the bathtub and everything like that. Well, it's all good except for the rat. Get a plastic, I don't care. Get him to sweep it out. There's a bit of rat shit up here on the counter, you know. Otherwise, it's good. Coffee, somewhere to work as long as there's PowerPoints. Yes, I like it. I like this old feel. Some of these nice old ones, it's bloody cheap. It was like 350,000, I think, like $30 a night or something, you know, $35 on it max. So it's very good. And we've got, look at this, veranda and the pool right at the front. So these little ones have got a little pointy nose. They call it churut. Yeah, they're not actually rat. That's full grown. They need a little tiny mouse. Churut. Huh? Happy to. Oh, we've got moths in here. Moths and rats. It's like a zoo in here. Right. Won't open it. Tak bisa buka ini ya. Tak bisa buka ini. So they moved us out of the rat hotel to the same thing, exactly the same thing. It's nice, really old style. I like this old style. It's like 70s, 80s style, you know? Bed, everything's good. As long as the aircon bloody blows strong, I tell you what.
2 hours later.
All right, we're at this big, giant traditional market. It basically goes for the whole street. It's in Jogya, right in the town. Door number 2. All right, we're going to go in, just have a suss, check it out. All right, it's a big market, so maybe we're going to look around and get something to eat first. We don't know. It's all happening here. Got satay in there. Right.
Bapak jualan sate.
All right. Now lihat dulu, eh? All right, so these are they boil them like sweet soy and that. And that's why they go brown, yeah. Alright, this is beef satay. You can see it's got a lot of fat on it. I love the fat, you know. Ada lagi sini? Aku tak mau satay. High pressure warung, that one. You just followed us around. Eat here, eat here. A lot of it might be closed because it's later in the day. Yeah, a lot of all these are closed. All right, so this is a salted fish store. Look at this, all salted fish, ikan asin. Every type of fish you can think of, look. Oh, it smells, what are these, like baby eels or something? Like that. And up here might be spices and that. Oh, more salted fish. So these are little salted prawns. These are little dried prawns, look. You put them in fried rice and stuff like that. Yeah, this probably would have been the go. Oh, these are good. These little pots, you can put like charcoals under them here and cook. It's the old traditional style earthenware pots, terracotta. Well, it's a big market, but a lot of it's closed. This would be the wet market with all the meats, where all the meats are and stuff, but it's all too late. It's finished for the day, yeah. These are the special black nuts that you cook the raw with. And you boil the hell out of them and they're mushy on the inside. You mush it all up and, what's the name?
Klook.
Klook. Klook nut for rowan, yeah. Alright, this is all the clothes by the look of it. That other end's basically the wet market in. And it's just the same stuff you buy anywhere. Wallets, bags, you know, clothes. Well, what we're after is food, so don't know, maybe you have to just go out on the street. The go would be to come back here really early in the morning when it's bustling and everything's open. So these are the Chris knives, little daggers and that you can buy, eh? Fancy ones. A lot of them have got like the wiggly snake blade on them, the traditional ones, yeah. Alright, I'm just going out. It's too hot walking around here, and half the things are closed, food, and it's just closed. Like, you wouldn't know where to start to look. There's millions of stuff. Right, head out the front. Yeah, because Yurley's in there looking around, so I'm just going to sit over here with the old lads over here and hang out. It's a pretty long street. There's just building after building after building as far as you can see all the way down. But it's all basically the same stuff. So, seen one market, you've seen them all. Zillions of them. There them clouds rolling in there, black. Yeah, it's going to be a storm for sure. Nanti hujan eh, ibu? Nanti hujan eh? Again. So this is dough. It's like coconut milk with some jelly sort of stuff. It's like jelly they put in it. And the syrup. Sweet. So these are like tuk-tuks. Like, yeah, you just don't see them in Bali anywhere. They should allow them, really, with the traffic congestion and all that. I think you're not allowed to have anything three-wheelers in Bali. There's some law, you know. So, but most of the rest of the islands are, they're everywhere, you know. So, they're good. You can just buzz around the traffic easy, and plus, it'll be another good business for the locals to get some money, you know, and them things, you know. Along here is all the colonial, Dutch colonial buildings and that. And there's a big monument there, but we went past it, I can't get back to it. So anyway, I'm going to try and, there's a lot of old colonial buildings around. Right, so it looks like it's just about to rain very soon. It's getting very black and cloudy and it's cooling down a bit. So, but we're still got to get something to eat, so we're starving, you know. Well, I am. So, we're looking, and we don't know what we're looking for. We're supposed to go left up here. So you go empal bulwana. So what we're going to do is get some empal. It's like that beefy jerky, dried beef sort of fried sort of thing. Right, so this is the empal. It's like the, it looks pretty chunky, this one. The ones that Yili's mum made were real thin, like jerky, white rice, and this is just a vegetable soup. Hey, a lot. I say you're a lot there. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to hook you to this. Starving. It's been a hot day, a long day. Cucumber dipped in sambal, really good. Cucumber's cold and the sambal's hot. Alright. Bit of basil. Bit of empal. Good. No, yeah, it's nice. The meat's good. It's not as dried as the stuff as Julie's mum used to make, but it's pretty good. Really hungry. All we had was soup this morning, so I yeah, give you a fair bit of meat. It's a bit chunky, but one serving's not enough, so I got another one. So it's nearly like corned beef. Sorry. Yeah. It's nearly got that corned beef taste. Maybe they're using that cut of meat. I don't know. So in Indonesia, always eat with your right hand, never your left hand, because your left hand's the one hand you use to do dirty tasks with. Always eat, and when you say calling someone over, you don't go like that. It sort of means fuck you. You got to go like that. Come here. So, and you always use your right hand, not your left hand. So, a little bit of useless trivia. Okay, so that was pretty good. I noticed East Java and West Java. East Java it's more, and Makassar too, Sulawesi, the Empal is more dried, like a jerky nearly, but here it was sort of chunky, nearly like corned beef. I really liked it. Had 2 bowls full. Alright, getting it back on the bike, it's really busy. The clouds are coming in strong and it's forecast rain, so when I get home, relax, maybe go and want ice cream and then relax. Right, so we're back at that little juice shop. The first night I came, we got the 8,000 rupee avocado juices. Gonna get one of them, take it home, sit out around on the veranda in front of the pool. Maybe even have a dip. It's really hot, eh? Even a nanny nap might be on the cards, I think. Anyway, that's the plan.